Hi, Rusty Stainless here. Today we're going to have a look at some unboxing of the Banggood Eachine M80. Eachine M80. Okay, so there it is. There's the box. And what I really wanted to talk about firstly is that this is an unboxing, but more talking about the postage. And this is the Banggood postage. And sometimes they get it right, but this one I wasn't too happy. It came with a single sheet of foam around it, but then basically black plastic over the top. And it's so dinged up. I mean, look at this ding here and the crush mark underneath here. More alarming is this here. There is a puncture mark basically right through into the box. And yeah, it's looking pretty shabby. There's this here which is a bit of wear. I mean, I'm almost thinking maybe this was display stock or something. But yeah, wasn't too happy. And then I opened the box, and well, it's you can see it's these marks over here show you that there's been some pressing down on the sticks here on the remote control, and as you can see, this is broken, damaged. So, you know, I don't know how much pressure has been going down onto the remote controller there. So while I've got it open, let's stop bitching about the postage. Let's just quickly see what's in here. You simply lift that out, and instruction manual there, and in English, read that later of course. And here's the main bits: remote controller, your USB charger there, 3 batteries, in this the 3 battery pack, and of course the quad itself. We take that off there, and here they are. Teeny weeny little quad, seems to be arrived in good condition, so I can't really complain about that. And there it is, the quad unboxed.